For garden ant control, use safe, natural methods that reduce colonies without toxic residues. Start by understanding ant behavior. Ants forage along pheromone trails to food and move colonies in response to disturbance. For baiting without synthetic toxins, mix borax with sugar at a ratio of 1 part borax to 9 parts granulated sugar and place small amounts in shallow, weatherproof containers where worker ants forage. Borax slows digestion, so it is carried back to the nest and affects the queen over several days. For a truly non-chemical bait, try a high sugar syrup of 4 parts water to 1 part sugar with a pinch of table salt to encourage sharing while avoiding household food waste. Reposition baits daily and remove when activity drops to prevent attracting other pests. Apply natural pyrethrin sprays only after sunset when bees and other beneficial insects are less active, and follow labeled directions for dilution and safety. Pyrethrins break down quickly in sunlight and are derived from chrysanthemum flowers. Improve soil structure with compost and aged manure to reduce dry, sandy hotspots that ants prefer for nesting, and keep mulch layers thinner near foundations to discourage colony establishment. Use physical barriers by laying landscape fabric under decorative rock or mulch and sealing gaps around foundations and door thresholds to prevent trail formation. Monitor moisture sources such as irrigation leaks and correct them promptly, since many ant species prefer moist microhabitats. Common mistakes are using strong household insecticides that kill non-target beneficial insects and mask the nest without addressing colony members. Avoid broadcast sprays and focus on targeted baits and habitat changes. Another issue is placing baits in direct sun or rain where they spoil or wash away. Move bait stations to shaded, protected spots and check them twice daily. A frequent error is neglecting food sources such as pet food and fallen fruit, which keeps foragers active. Remove attractants, store bird seed in sealed containers, and rake up fallen fruit and debris. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and share real-world experiences about pest management and garden care. We connect contractors with work leads and host a discussion community where we and our neighbors exchange tips, ask questions, and review methods.